Hi everyone, welcome to Tausan Mangrove Forest. Let's go and check it out. From here, you can get a nice view from the sea. Some people come here to take a rest or relax and take photos. That's it for That's it for today's trip. Next up, let's go to Cascade. Hi guys, I'm back and I'm here in Papa Kids. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang kanilang swimming pool. Wait.
A few moments later.
So, ito ang kanilang pool. Medyo maliit lang pero goods na. Charing.
Huh?
Punta kami ngayon sa mga horsey. And I will show you the horsey. So init guys. And I'm so haggard already.
An eternity later.
Here the horse guys. Yes. Say hi. As you can see guys, it's so nice here in Papa Kids. So if you have time, visit Papa Kids now. Hi guys, I'm back. I'm here in 388. And I'm gonna show you what's sa ang kanilang mga tinda. Dili na. Ma'am, uy. Super layo. Ang layo-layo ng aming nilalakad para na kaming dito. Ay. Ito yung per 88 guys. It has a lot of pwede kayang mag food trip dito or something. But now, it's not time pa because it's 4 pa and it will be open in night. So, yeah. We just ordered gulaman. Thank you. That's it for my vlog guys. I hope mas masaya kayo sa ating travel ngayon. Hala. Napagod na kaming dalawa. Masakit na po ang aming paa. So that's it guys. I hope you're happy with our travel. Bye.
One is the loneliest number that you